racing, it's life. Anything that happens before or after, just waiting. Just waiting.
Hello and welcome back to Not a Watch Snob. I am your host, Bill. The Omega Chronostop was introduced in 1966 as part of Omega's renowned Geneva collections. Unlike traditional chronographs, it was designed for quick, single-button timing, making it ideal for sports and automotive enthusiasts. It was even awarded the prestigious chronometer certification, proving its precision. The Chronostop gained popularity during the 1968 Olympics, when Omega was the official timekeeper of the sporting events. It was known for its affordability, reliability, and even more, its looks, setting it apart from the more complex chronographs of its time. Now let's talk about what makes the Chronostop tick. The watch was powered by the manual winding Omega Caliber 865, a Lamania-based movement with 17 joules. It features a single pusher chronograph function, allowing the user to start, stop, and reset with one button. The case is a beautiful 34mm, making it a versatile choice for different wrist sizes. It also comes with a variety of different dials. This one happens to be the race-inspired dial. The chronograph was designed to be water resistant up to 30 meters, making it durable but not meant for deep diving. The pros and cons of this watch are as follows. Pro. Its unique design. This single pusher mechanism offers a minimalistic and efficient approach to timekeeping. Another pro is its heritage and collectability. As a vintage Omega piece, its horological and historical significance is sought after by many collectors. And its precision you cannot beat. The movement is highly accurate and it's been certified as a chronometer. Its versatility is something that leaves you speechless, available in different sizes, styles, that will suit any sort of variety of tastes and likes. And lastly, affordability, for a vintage Omega at least. Compared to other Omega chronographs, this remains relatively accessible, right around the $1,000 to $1,200 range. The cons of this watch, however, of course, every watch has its cons, are the single pusher limitations. Unlike traditional chronographs with two pushers, this does not allow lap timing, nor does it allow multiple sequential measurements. Lastly, another con happens to be kind of manual mind movements. They require daily winding, which might not suit those who prefer automatic watches. Its limited water resistance also happens to be a con at only 30 meters, meaning that you might be able to get a couple of splashes on this puppy, but other than that, I wouldn't suggest swimming or diving. Its smaller case size might be a con to many people, but I think 35mm, 34mm is a perfect sweet spot for anybody with a 6.5 all the way up to a 7-inch wrist. If you have a larger wrist than that, you gotta stop eating Doritos. And overall, the Omega Chronostop is a remarkable watch that blends history, functionality, and style. Whether you're a collector or just a fan of vintage chronographs, it's definitely worth considering. What do you guys think about the Omega Chronostop? Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more watch content, and I'll see you next time. Remember, my name is Bill. I'm not a watch snob, and neither are you. Thank you.